How often do you feel that you are not doing enough with your time? We all have certain dreams and we want to achieve them. And in order to achieve our dreams, we always start our day with certain positivity that today I'm gonna do this. These are the things on the list. I'm gonna do too much today. But by the end of the day, it's always like, okay, tomorrow I have another day in my hands. Whatever is left, I will finish tomorrow because today I could not do too much. I don't know what I was doing. I mean, it's difficult to even think of the things which you did in the day because the day just went by doing really nothing, and now you're looking for another day, and even another day goes by in exactly the same manner. So, most of our times, I believe, goes into thinking about the things, thinking about the ideas, the awesome ideas. You spend your time into thinking the most and doing least in a day. You daydream a lot. You keep thinking all day about the awesome ideas of what you wanna achieve, and most of the times you do not execute. When it comes to work on the things that you have planned for the day, you start procrastinating. You start making excuses. You start looking into your phone. You start scrolling on social media. You start telling yourself wrong stories that you know what, I'm so tired today, I don't think I can start from today, so I will work on my things from tomorrow. And that tomorrow never comes, and all your day just goes unproductive. And by the end of the day, when you go to sleep, you have this feeling inside you that today I couldn't do much. The things that I had planned to accomplish, I could not, and my day just went unproductive. And I very well understand that feeling. Means it's a very bad feeling to have all throughout your day. So let's talk about what you can do about it and how can you make your day productive. How can you prevent your day from getting wasted? See, I don't really have one little tablet that you're gonna put into your mouth and you're gonna swallow it with some water and you're done and your problem is solved. No, but I do have a few tips that you can follow to make your day productive, to prevent your day from getting wasted. So first and foremost thing that you have to do is to plan your day. It's very important to plan your day because if you don't plan your day, you will not be able to concentrate on anything. You will be confused. You will not know when what to do and what not to do. So it's crucial to plan your day. All you have to do is just take your 10 to 15 minutes in the morning and write down in your journal or in your diary that I have to do this from this time to this time, I have to do that from this time to this time, something like that. You know, that's how we plan our day. So it's important to plan your day. Second thing that you have to do is to set achievable goals. Now what do I mean by that? I mean, you don't have to keep too many stuff into your list that today I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do a lot today. No, because no, most of the things you will not be able to accomplish. So what is the point? So plan just enough so that you can accomplish at least. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. Third thing that you have to do is to tell this to yourself honestly that this day is very important for me and I'm gonna utilize every single minute and hours. I will not let this day go wasted. I will not let this day go unproductive. Like today is 17th May, so you can say, you can tell this to yourself honestly that I'm not gonna let this 17th May go unproductive. I will not let this day go wasted because once this day is gone, it is never gonna come. So I'm gonna utilize every single minute and hours honestly. Tell this to yourself honestly, and I'm telling you, the day you will be able to create this thing in your head, the day you will be able to understand this, the day you will be able to tell this to yourself honestly, from the same day your day will not go unproductive anymore. Fourth and last thing that you have to do is to keep away the things that distract you the most. I mean, when you sit down to start working on the things that you have planned for the day, keep away the things that distract you while executing, while working on the things that you have planned for the day. Keep away the things that distract you the most. It could be your phone, it could be TV, it could be anything. I think in today's time, your phone is the only thing that distracts you the most. So please just switch it off so that you don't get any notification or any message, and keep it away from yourself and start executing, start working on your dreams. Like, I do understand that it's easier said than done because now everything is on internet, everything is on YouTube, AI is also in trending. So we human, we tend to use our phone for our studies, for most of the things, and we can't do much about it, right? I mean, hand on my heart, my phone is the only source of my learning. Whatever I have learned till date, I have learned from my phone. I have not joined any institute or anything, whatever I have learned. So I do agree with this thing. So all I'm trying to say here is that it depends on you, like how much you are being honest with yourself, how much you are putting efforts into what you really wanna achieve, how much you are working on your dreams. Because you can lie to others, but you can't lie to yourself. You know your truth. Okay, this is the only life that you have got. Whatever you wanna achieve, just start working on your things, because nobody is gonna serve success on your plate. You are the only person who can change your life. If not now, then when will you change your life? That's all I wanted to share with you guys, and I think I have covered everything. I didn't miss anything, and I hope you liked this one. If you like this video, then hit the like button and just let me know how was this one, how was this video, did you actually get to learn something or not. So I'll be back with new idea. Till then, take care and keep learning.